Hello buddies, how do you do? So how was the video guys? You just saw it, right? And that video was the one I had uploaded few days back. I mean 2 or 3 days back in Instagram, and many people asked me, how did you do that? How did you just play with the neck in a table tennis bat? You hit it twice but it did not break, and the third time when it fell on the pan it just turned into an omelette. How that happened? That's what the question by many people. So actually I had not planned to make this video. Based on the user request, my viewers request, we are making this video. So this is that video where I just hit an egg and break it into an omelette. Actually it's not an egg, it's a ball. This is the ball I have used, and the omelette is from an egg. So if you're new to the channel, do click that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified, and to have a follow of all these kind of crazy stuffs that I do, just follow me on Instagram at Girish Cario. So now let's see how I made this. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Actually seeing there are 36 comments in this single video where many people have asked me how did I do that, and when I say that it's not actually an egg, it's a ball, nobody just believed me. Even some asked, am I a joke to you? Just imagine guys, this is an egg, it's heavy. If I just hit this with my table tennis bat, what will happen to this egg? How it is possible to just hit it twice and the third time it correctly landed on the pan and it turns into an omelette? How is that really even possible? Even some asked me one of the clever questions, where did the shell go? They actually thought like I actually hit the egg twice and the third time it fell on the pan, and where did the shell go? Many asked that. And how many takes did you go for to achieve this perfect shot? Many asked that. I was actually laughing on all those silly questions. Is it possible to hit an egg twice without breaking it? So actually what I did is I just made a hole on this ball, and I just filled all the contents of the egg into this hole of this ball. So when I hit it twice, it got weakened, and the third time when it fell on the pan, it just broke and turned into an omelette. That's what actually happened. Do you believe that? So actually what happened is simple editing technique. I will teach you. Even you can do this very easy. So it takes around 5 minutes of editing and 5 minutes of the video you are going to shoot. So what I did is I had this ball. I fixed the frame from top to bottom. I kept my camera, as you saw in that video. I just kept my camera in one of the stands near the stove, and my mobile camera, it's just shot on my mobile, and fixed a frame in such a way that there is a good distance between me and the pan that is over in the front. So what I did is I just took some takes for this action. So it had to actually fall at the center of the pan, then only we can make that turn this ball into a omelette, right? So I just hit it twice, and the third time I made sure that it fell on the center of the pan. It's actually a single video. On the first half I made hits with the bat, and the second half I just made an omelette. I just break an egg. I made sure that I was quite high from the tawa so that my hands are not hiding the tawa. So when I just pour the egg, my hands should not be hiding the tawa, so that when I edit the video in post, my hands are not visible. So we have two videos now. One in which the ball just hit by the bat twice, and the third time it falls on the tawa. And the other video, you just break the egg and the omelette, or the egg, whatever inside the egg, just falls on the tawa and turns into an omelette. So we have two videos of the same frame. The main thing is you should not change the frame while masking a video. So masking is the technique we are actually using here. I will show you in Adobe Premiere Pro how to do that. It's just a 5 minutes editing. You can just follow that, and you can also go create these kind of crazy stuffs. Now let's see how to edit this. So now I have imported the two videos in Premiere Pro. So this is the first video where I just hit the ball and the ball falls on the pan, and this is the second video where I just break the egg to make the omelette. So what we are gonna do is just pause where the ball reaches the pan. almost near the pan. So we have stopped here. Now we are going to keep the other video over the top at this place. So we are going to crop this video from where my hand is out of the pan. So this is the place, and I am just cropping it and moving the video to that position. Now if we see, it looks like the ball falls and the omelette comes. So to remove me from this frame, we are going to mask it off. So for that, what I'm going to do is use a pen tool that you are seeing now and just draw points around the pan to make a mask of that video. So after doing this, only this area of the video is available. So I will just hide the other video to show the difference. So now if you see, it's like the ball falls and the omelette is available, but it's not quite perfect. So we have to do furthermore editing. So we are going to just move to the point where the ball is half touching the pan and just moving the video a little. So now it looks like the ball falls on the pan and turns into omelette. But we have another glitch where the ball is still visible at the side. It's like going out of the pan. That we should take it out from the video. So for that, what I'm going to do is take a part of the first video and just crop a little of it, and going to make a third layer over the other two layers. So now I'm going to mask that portion alone to remove that movement of the ball. So using the same pen tool, I'm just gonna mask that layer to hide that ball movement at the side of the pan. So that is what I'm doing now. So once done, if we play this video, it would look like the ball falls on the pan and turns into an omelette. So that's it. The editing is done. It's just 2 minutes and we have made a magic out of this from Premiere Pro. So this is the first layer, and along with the second, this is the second layer, and along with the first and the second layer, it looks like this. And after adding the third layer, it just looked like this. So you can also add some feather to your mask at the options at the left to prevent any sharp edges of your videos. So this is the final out. So how was the editing, guys? It's just a simple technique called masking, and that's how I made that video where I just turned out a small ball into an omelette of an egg. So I hope you got to know how I did that, and all your doubts and questions are solved now, right? So go ahead, you can also try these kind of masking techniques and be more creative, and tag me on Instagram at Girish Cario. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And that's it for this video, guys. We'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's your Cario signing off. I'll keep it aside. So I have already edited this. So that's the video you have seen. So I will show you how I have edited that.